There's a bird in the garage. I'm scared. I don't need to be scared. But there's a bird in the garage. I'm trying to go do laundry. This bird only wants to get out. But he can't get out. He flew to this thing right here. Darn it, darn it, darn it, darn it. I need to not be afraid. But there's a bird in the garage. A bird. I need to not be afraid. It wants to get out, but it tried. It's a bird. It's a bird, child. It's a bird. Walk. I'm trying to tell myself to walk over to the line, over to the wash machine and do my laundry. The bird wants to get out. It tried to go out the door, but I have these screen things up which aren't working. Like, they don't work. And then, oh, look at that, it's just a bird. Could have been worse. So anyway, yeah, these little screen things don't work. Not for real. But somehow this bird. Okay. I need to not be afraid. I like birds. Why am I afraid? It's a bird. It is a bird. It's a bird. It's a bird, child. My legs is not moving. Oh. Oh. It's on the floor. Ooh! Stop. I just gotta go across. I just gotta go across to put the clothes in the dryer and put some more clothes in the washing machine. Oh. I can't. Oh. It's cute. It's cute. Oh. I want to let him out. But I'm scared to go over there to let him out. You can do this. Go do the laundry. Oh. Yay! It made it out the door. Now let me fix this little thing. So I can't with myself. Oh, I can't with myself. It figured out. It aimed right. Because the first time it tried to leave out the garage, it went over and it hit this little screen thing that I'm fixing. Okay. I can't with myself.